NEC, empowered by innovation. Welcome to NEC's Univerge Contact Center Solution Overview. The next 10 to 12 minutes will address common challenges companies face today. Before we jump into the solution, let's begin with a brief definition of a contact center. A contact center is a group of people, typically referred to as agents, that manage incoming and outgoing customer contacts. Every company has at least one, if not several opportunities to improve customer satisfaction by using a contact center strategy in customer-facing groups. Need some ideas of where to begin looking for areas that could benefit from the use of contact center solution? Try customer service, help desks, technical support, inside sales, and billing inquiries. Maybe a parts and service department. Companies are challenged with delivering high-quality service while at the same time cutting costs. Departments that are strictly cost centers are almost extinct. Virtually every group must measurably demonstrate their value through cross-training, upselling, and improving the level of service to increase revenue, customer retention, and acquisition, all the while maintaining a happy, motivated, productive workforce. Let's see how the Univerge Contact Center meets these challenges. Today is the age of do-it-yourself. People are often seeking information that doesn't necessarily require an agent. Using self-service and IVR are big opportunities for cutting costs. Automate answering questions asked over and over. For example, do callers often ask about hours of operation? Are local weather conditions important? Or maybe it's the currency exchange rates. For global companies, prompts and announcements may be delivered in as many as 18 languages or dialects. The Univerge Contact Center provides high-quality service callers expect from their first entry into the contact center. The caller may be greeted by an IVR for automated information, or offered options to speak to customer service, the help desk, or transferred to the operator, reducing the time it takes to get information or to the right group, enhancing the contact experience. Let's demonstrate. Meet Donna Williams. She is trying to reach customer service to ask a question before placing her order. Using the IVR auto attendant, Donna's call is answered immediately with the option to select customer service. All customer service representatives are on the phone, and Donna hears she is the fifth caller in the queue, setting the expectation that she might have to wait. Next, Donna hears an announcement, reminding her to register for an upcoming event. Then she is offered the opportunity to leave a message or continue to hold. Donna decides to wait. While waiting, she registers for the event and is updated on her status in the queue, which gives her a reasonable expectation of when her call would be answered. Getting Donna to the right agent the first time is, in part, a result of skill-based routing. Skill-based routing is very powerful in the Univerge Contact Center. 100 different skills may be assigned to each agent, and callers are delivered to the right agent by setting minimum criteria and scoring requirements. Of the agents that are now available, both Alice and Fred meet all of the minimum criteria. However, Alice will receive the call because she has the highest average score overall. One way to cut costs without sacrificing service is to deliver callers the option to leave a message and receive a callback when all agents are busy. Callbacks are monitored. If an agent does not complete a callback, the message will be rerouted to another agent, so customers are never forgotten. Donna was offered the option to wait or leave a message. She has some other important tasks to work on, so instead of waiting, she is delighted to leave a message and confident that she will be called back as soon as someone is available to help her. Donna leaves a message, letting them know what she needs, and continues to work on her other tasks. She receives a callback in the same amount of time she would have spent waiting on the phone, and she has also checked off a couple of other tasks she needed to complete. The identification module shows the agent more information about the caller, such as the skills required for the call, language preference, and an email address, which is a link and may be used by the agent to send information to the caller. No more asking callers for information you already have. Callers may use a personal identification code to self-identify, or in some cases when caller ID is the same for everyone in a company, use the company logo instead of a picture. The call flow example shows the view from a caller's experience. Let's follow Donna's call through to the agent desktop. Her call is presented to Alice as a small pop-up window on her PC that allows Alice to click on the ringing phone and answer the call. Agent Desktop opens for an active call, and the caller's information populates the talk window of the client application. The Agent Desktop is segmented into zones for easy and intuitive managing. The talk zone shows routed call details for incoming and connected calls. Details include the skills assigned to the call, the language if applicable, the email address, and a photo if they are available in the caller's profile in the database. Full call control. Call type that displays a predefined selection list for the agent to classify the call, and after call work to give the agent time to wrap up each call before taking the next one. The hold transfer zone displays details of calls put on hold or in the process of transferring. The present zone for agents to switch between ready and not ready, with optional not ready reasons. And the directory zone shows presence information for others in the organization and allows easy transfer of a call if needed. The agent navigation icons enable quick access to groups, email, voicemail, and previously recorded calls. For example, the group display shows the status of agents in each group, and the real-time group display to view how many calls in queue, the time for the longest waiting call, how many agents are logged in, total calls for the day, and the service level for each group. Agents have access to everyone in the company. While Alice is talking to Donna, she sends an instant message to Bethany in order entry. She wants to know if she can tell Donna her order will ship today. Alice can provide answers Donna needs without having to call her back. This is great for customer satisfaction and first call resolution. Adding email routing into the contact center increases agent occupancy and enables responses to be made during slow periods of daily operations. Increase revenue and reduce costs with outbound blending. If the contact center has spikes and lulls throughout the day, agents can be more productive by implementing outbound campaigns. Outbound includes preview dialing, power dialing, and one-way announcement messaging. Agents can follow up on orders and increase revenue through consistent communication by leveraging the slow periods during the day. The contact center administrator can easily modify the configuration and adjust quickly to business conditions. Contact center supervisors need great tools to manage productive centers. Univerge Contact Center lets supervisors manage every aspect of their business. They can easily add and remove agents, monitor call volume, set alerts for conditions of concern, and analyze results with historical reporting. The real-time monitoring dashboard displays easy-to-read key graphs. Each supervisor creates floor plans for their groups to make it easy to view agent activity in real time. Every event is logged and shows in a window on the dashboard for on-the-spot monitoring and troubleshooting. There are several options for viewing preference. Switch between bar graphs, trend charts, and text views. All are color-coded for easy read. The service level is a performance measure for answering time. For example, if the service level is set to 20 seconds and all calls are answered within 20 seconds, the service level is 100%. In this view, 33% of the calls were answered after 20 seconds, and the service level is 67%. The soft wallboard module is truly spectacular, shows real-time data, and much more. Design custom wallboards using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, or use one of the templates provided as shown here. The Univerge Contact Center solution offers a complete set of reports. All reports can be published as MS Word and Excel formats, and may be scheduled and sent to a printer, screen, web page, and email. Here is an example of a router analysis report. The report shows how many calls were offered, answered, and abandoned in 15-minute increments, making it easy to identify peak hours over a specified period of time. We are just about done. The Univerge Contact Center solution also provides integration options for custom screen pops, with support for .NET to link external applications in a call flow. If the company has both agents and operators, the Univerge Contact Center supports both. All users' licenses for the contact center, whether agent or operator, are concurrent. No need to change applications to assume either role. It is quick and simple for an agent to switch to the role as an operator, and vice versa to cover breaks and peak periods. The operator and agent desktops are very similar, but offer slightly different features for role-specific actions. An operator typically asks, "How may I direct your call?" and an agent asks, "How may I help you?" The operator has a queue view to answer calls in the order they are received, or pull calls from anywhere in the queue. Additional information is presented about the caller from a profile in the database, and also for the internal extension the caller is trying to reach. Calls in transition, either on hold or in transfer mode, display in the hold transfer zone. The group display shows busy lamp fields, so the operator always knows who is available, on the phone, away from their desk, or forwarded to voicemail. For example, Victor is available, Alice and Bethany are on the phone, and Gavin is forwarded to voicemail. All zones are easy to identify and manage, and both desktops are very intuitive to use, requiring minimal training. In summary, the Univerge Contact Center is a fully featured one-box unified communications solution with single point of management that is easy to install and maintain. The solution delivers excellent productivity-enhancing performance tools, and the options are modular, allowing only the licenses required to be activated. It's easy to add modules or increase licensing to meet business needs and requirements should they change. For companies challenged with delivering high-quality service, cutting costs, increasing customer acquisition and retention, all the while maintaining a happy, motivated, productive workforce, the Univerge Contact Center has what is needed to resolve these challenges. We've covered most of the modules for the Contact Center solution and demonstrated how to use a few to overcome some common challenges. The chart shows which areas each module may help conquer the challenges. Do you need more information, have questions, or would you like a full in-depth demonstration? Send us an email at necfocus@necam.com. NEC, empowered by innovation.